Hello, 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 my parents. This is Miss Jerome-Severe. Yes, you guys are my parents. I'm coming with another video where the children will be learning the beginning sound. Well, they already know the beginning sound because I have done another video. This time they are identifying the beginning sound. They are identifying. So they already know it because the other video, and if you didn't watch it, I will put the link. I'll put the link after this video. But we did do a video that taught them how to use their fingers and how to use their arms to find the beginning sound. So they are just telling you the beginning sound. And if you need to pause the video for them to do it on their fingers or your arms, you could do so. And if you did not watch the first video, I suggest you watch it so like that they get to know how to do the first sound themselves. Alors, parents, yo c'est Mrs. Jerome-Severe qui vient avec une autre vidéo côté Timon yo pral identifier commencement son. Premier son yo tande. Yo pa pal fè son yo parce que ça vient rive, nou te fèl deja. Ma pa adisyonne video sa, nan fin video sa kon sa, si nou pat get gade, nou so nou bezon fè ti pratika ti moun yo, nou ka fèl. Me video sa, se pou pitit wakadou, maman, son se tel son. Okay? So encourage the kids to tell you the sound. Okay? Not making each sound. All right. So this is the rule. First, you're going to listen to the name of the food. You're going to say it to yourself. Then you're going to identify the beginning sound. Each time you do it right, boys and girls, you get 1 point. So we have a total of 13. So you should get 13 points. You should get 13 points. So let's go about learning, identifying the beginning sound. Ok, parents yo, premier point, si moun yo pral tande mo mwen di, non manje yo. Deuxième point, yo prale di mo peut-être pa yo. Et puis troisième point, yo prale di ou qui premier son que yo tande avec mo yo di. Okay? So boys and girls, let's go. So you have been doing beginning sounds in the classroom with your teacher. Your teacher have been showing you how to identify beginning sound. So I want you to earn 13 points and then send me your name. So the next video I do, I could shout out your name. Tell mommy send me a message that how many points you get. So the next video I'm doing, so I could say shout out to Sabrina who got 13 points, or shout out to Patrick who got 5 points. So send me your name. So just your name or your nickname, and then I'll shout out your name on my next video. All right, Timoun, an wale, so j'ai bien wap tande no yo mdi avant. Après ça, wap di mon peut-être pas. Et puis après ça, wap di maman avec papa qui premier son tande. Si ou gagne quantité pour gagner, sou gen 10 points, fait maman écrit non pour, kon sa le m'a fait l'autre vidéo, m'a dit non, m'a dit non, que est-ce que ou te gade vidéo, ok? Pas oublier, non? Alright. Alright, this is pizza. Boys and girls, this is pizza. So, what's my word? Pizza. Say it to yourself. Say it to yourself. Okay, so what's the first sound you hear in pizza? Okay, you're ready to rumble to find the answer. You're ready? And the first sound is P. If you say P, you are correct. You got yourself 1 point. Here's the next one. What's that picture? Fries. What's that picture? Fries. Your turn to say the word. Very good if you say fries. Okay, now you need to tell your mommy or your dad what's the first sound you hear. You ready to rumble? Go, 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 go. What's the first sound? If you say fur, very good. You earn yourself 2 points. What picture is this? What picture is that? Hot dog. What's the picture? Hot dog. Okay, so say it to yourself. And now ready to tell mommy and dad or your sister what's the first sound in hot dog. You're ready to rumble. What's the first sound for hot dog? Very good. You earn yourself 3 points. Here you go. Burger. What's this picture? Burger. Say it to yourself. Very good. All right, you ready to rumble? What's the first sound in burger? What's the first sound in burger? B. Very good. This is a taco. Taco. Say it to yourself. Very good. Taco. You ready to rumble to know what's the first sound in taco? Taco is very good. What point is that? Is that 5? Okay. Okay, this is a wrap. What is it? Wrap. It's a sandwich wrapped in a bread. Wrap. What do we call that? That sandwich? A wrap. All right. So make your sound. Make your sound. What sounds wrap start with? If you say r, very good. If you say r, you are correct. All right, here's the next one. What is that? Chicken. What is that? Chicken. Your turn to repeat. Very good. If you say chicken, very good. What's the first sound in chicken? Ready to rumble? What's the first sound in chicken? If you say ch, very good. The next food is donut. What is the food? Donut. Your turn to say it. Very good. If you say donut, very good. What's the first sound in donut? Ready to rumble? What's the first sound in donut? D. Very good. If you say d, very good. That should have been 7. Okay, this one is cookie. What's that picture? Cookie. Cookie. Say it yourself. Cookie. Say it yourself. All right, ready to rumble to get the next point. Here we go. Here we go. And the sound is k. Very good. If you say k, you up to 9 points. Okay, next one. What is that? Chocolate. What is that? Chocolate. You ready to tell me the sound? Rumble, 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 rumble. Chocolate. What sound makes the first sound in chocolate? Don't forget to say it to yourself. Ch. Very good. Ch. Next one. That should be what? 11. All right. Here's the next one. Here's the next one. What is that? Delicious. Popcorn. What is that? Popcorn. Popcorn. Okay, you ready? The first sound in popcorn. Very good. If you say p, Very good, boys and girls. All right, thank you for playing the game with me. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to watch the game over and over. Don't forget to send me your name. So the next video I make, I'm gonna call your name. So I'm gonna call your name. So make sure you tell your mommy to type your name for me so I could say your name on my next video. Okay? Thank you for watching. Parents, voyez non ti moun yo ki gade video, ou pa bezwen mette premye non yo, nou a mette ti non chouet yo, kon sa lem fe lot video pou m cite non yo. Ok? Ebe se tout sa, mes Jérôme te kye pou nou. À bientôt. Okay, until next time, parents. Thank you for watching. Bye.